Hello, welcome. Today I would like to talk about the tissues in our body for two reasons. On one hand, for those who don't have health education to understand the body a little bit better, and also just to see that our body also affects our mind and emotions. So it's a double effect. It's a complex system because until now we were talking about how the emotions affect our body. So today I'm going to talk about how our body, the health of our tissues, can affect our emotions. So according to Ayurveda, there are 7 different tissues, and these tissues nourish each other. It means that if there is a problem on a level, then the second tissue also cannot function well. So for this, it's very, very important for the doshas, the energy types, to be in balance, because otherwise this imbalance also goes to the mind, and we will have problem with the perception because we need to digest also what we see around us, so through our perceptive organs. So, and we need to make knowledge and understanding of what is going on around us. So these tissues are, I'm going to say the name of the Sanskrit also, because maybe you are going to read about it. So the first one is the plasma, and it is called rasa, and it includes the plasma in the blood, the lymphatic system, and any liquid in the body. And its role is, its function is to nourish the body. And if it's going well, we feel nourished and satisfied. And if there is a problem with it, an imbalance, then we can feel cheated, frustrated, and dissatisfied. We can have low self-confidence, and also we can lose the interest. The second tissue is the blood in English, but it's called rakta. We mean the cells in the blood, and these cells have many functions, but they also make the oxygen, so they carry the oxygen to the tissues. And if it's working well, functioning well, then we are hopeful, we feel vitality and excitement. And if there is an imbalance, then we can feel anger, jealousy, we can be aggressive, and there can be a lack of love. So what does it mean in practice? If you are a medical doctor and someone is coming with a low oxygen level in the body, you measure it, then maybe he or she will be a little bit aggressive, and then you know about it. The third tissue is the muscles. It's called mamsa. So these muscles are plastering our bones, and this is how we can move in the body. So if this tissue is functioning well, we feel courage and we feel secure and protected. And for those people who have a problem with the muscles, they can feel unprotected and unsafe. The next tissue is the fat in English, and it's called meda, and its role is isolation, so it helps us to keep the heat in the body and also lubrication of the different organs. And if it's functioning well, we feel love and commitment. And those people who have problems with the fat, for example, they do extreme diets to lose weight, they can become a little bit emotionally cold. The next tissues are the bones, ashti. They give the structure of the body and they support us. And if this tissue is functioning well, we can express well ourselves to the environment, and we can be purposeful. And if there is an imbalance, we can feel weak, ungrounded, dissatisfied. The next tissue is the marrow and nerve tissue. It's the same according to Ayurveda. It's in the same level. It's called maya. And this nerve tissue is carrying the information about what we perceived, and this is how we can move. So if it's working well, we can feel that we are somehow ourselves and we have enough power to do the things. And if it doesn't work well, then we can feel emptiness somehow inside us and also in the mind. And the last tissue is the reproductive tissue, shukra, and its function is the reproduction. And if it's working well, then we can be creative. And this is the essence of all the tissues. So if it's working well, it means that probably all the other tissues are working well. Well, if it's not, then we can not be creative in a way that we can not do much physically in the physical world. So we are not able to realize in the physical world our ideas and creativity. I hope it helps you in something. Stay happy, stay healthy, and have a nice day.